cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us done came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't say.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Tuesday. Yesterday was a little holiday. Yeah, Toasty, I was busy. Couldn't come to the class. But I heard it was a banger. And I'm the one that's going to upload it anyway, so I'm going to watch it. But how was everybody's weekend? Good morning, Vipin. Good morning, Buffett. M Drop, Jay, not available. David, Oscar, Osama, good morning. What is good? What is up? How we feeling? How we feeling? Morning, camper. Ace is here today. He's just trying to fix something right now. He's trying to fix it in that. Oi, don't worry about it. Yo, did you guys see the banger reel of Ace freestyling? I thought it was pretty heat. Can't lie. Not yet. You're slacking. Come on, not available. You're actually slacking. You are a slacker, but it's okay. I wanna meet. Yo, my Discord is lagging. No, we're already live. Yeah, I don't think it's the internet. No. We are good. We are good. How's everyone's accounts doing? I heard Ace hit a banger during class yesterday in Asia, which is pretty heat. Is pretty heat. I love the way you lie. I don't really want to tell you what I know, but I tell you what I do. All right. How the day looking? Give us the update. The day, it's looking pretty good. I mean, what specifically? Like, you mean the chart? Bullish, bias is what I have. Right now, though, looking at it, we're probably gonna have a little bit of a pullback. We had news today, right? Oh no, we don't. Am I tweaking? Wait, is today Wednesday or Tuesday? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, February 17th. Wait, I'm confused. Did this news come out early? Why does it say 2:30 on Forex Factor? What? You've got to be kidding me. Oh. No, I'm not connected. I am nervous. Hello? You guys hear me? Am I tripping? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on, my whole shit is tweaking. Wait, I'm on Discord, it's fine? Okay. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, I'm not fine. Oh no.
I just pulled up. What is up, everyone? Hope you guys are doing well. My hair is undone again. I don't want to put any product in my hair, so this is kind of the vibe I've been going with. Just natural, fluffy hair. You can't hear me? Can you hear me, John? Oh, can you guys hear me? Test, 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 test. Oh, everyone can hear me other than you, Buffett. What the are you doing, huh? What are you doing? It's one. I'm only allowed one. Yeah. What? The top one? Yeah, the top one. You guys think the project screen is going to work today or no? What do you guys think? Yes or no? Two. Kind of getting annoying. If is that our open candle already? Shit. Premium members, look at futures breakdown and options breakdown for today's bias, everything that we're looking at for today's session. I'm trying to pull up stream for you guys. I'm not in a rush, so it's okay.
All right.
It's small still.
Bro, hopefully I didn't cook myself.
I really hope you didn't.
I'll actually jump out of a window.
3840 times 2160.
My shit was lagging. It might have been the VPN.
He
Was in a
could get
trade.
denied his payout because of it.
Of what? Well, I hope.
Freaking Discord is being weird. Camper is saying, I see Ace's screens, but no webcams, missing the best part. Oh, never mind. Okay, never mind. Well, shit. What
He
the
had no patience.
Yeah, the longs are the move. And if you guys saw my
Wow, we
write-up,
are
that's
bumped.
exactly what I was looking for today's session. Was a nice fat long back with a reclaim of 671, which were above 700. Exactly what I wanted to see with our London high being approached right here at 727. So I'd watch out for that.
And why is it tiny again? Bruh.
Gap filled quick as hell for real.
For real, for real, for real.
So let's see how we do from here, because that's
Bro, that wick
essentially
down.
our what 830 move? No, 850. Interesting. I can't hear anyone. I just see Ace's screen production. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys let Camper know
Yo,
if he needs
chat.
to reset?
Chat, are we good? Hear you both? All right.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Toasty, and your chart. Perfect.
Wait, Euro, how out of sync are we talking? Lemenko is good.
My hair is so insane right now, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm actually not. I don't give a fuck. We're here to trade, not look pretty.
For real, for real, for real.
Sitting on hands right now. Yeah, me too. We're at crucial levels. Like a long off of that 670 would have been nice. But 6-7. Is that why you're laughing?
What? No.
But I want the reclaim of 700. And then that could push us at least 26 points. So if we do close right here, you guys do have room all the way to that 27. If you guys are looking for a quick move, that could be it. That's a nice close on a minute, to be honest.
Interesting.
I want to take it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to risk bottom of that candle. Whoa, that's kind of aggressive, actually. 65 stop.
65.
Yeah, but I'm not looking for much. Like I said, 27. I mean, there's the move. Literally, it just happened. So have fun with that long, guys. Shit.
Pumpy, pumpy.
Yeah, 610 fill. Like I was saying, currently up 30 points.
Oh,
There it goes, and I'm closing. That's $525, guys. My
easy play.
yeah, that was what 43 points. I was on 6 micros. So that I'm literally at PDPT.
Wow.
I'm $75 away. A scalp. It wasn't even a scalp. It was just
Yo,
waiting
that was
for the
easy to
move.
get in. I took that.
Plus, look at this. You guys ready? Look at the first thing I said for our daily breakdown. Looking for a bullish reclaim of 24,671 for the VI fill from 789 from 789 to 803. Look at where we are right now. Literally about to test that VI. Guys, this play is 73 points.
So yeah, you could call it a scalp based on speed, but
I think
70
it's
points
just
is 70
momentum. I wouldn't
points.
call it a scalp.
Yeah.
That was just momentum.
Super easy to get in. 3,800 across 17 accounts. 5K.
Let's
coming from
go
Lucid.
see Tay.
Yo.
Let's go see Tay. See Tay.
W,
Let's
W.
go. Also, like,
Good shit.
see Tay. You're the man. You know that, right? You know you're the man. CT is the one that hooked me up with the litter robot. And look at him with the premium status printing everywhere. Guys, our premium has been getting payout after payout after payout.
And there is that TP from the breakdown.
Literally our TP right there. I wanted to come test this VI. It's exactly what's happening right now. And from my entry, guys, that's 85 points. I trimmed it early because I'm already like, what, $75 away from my PDPT. And I don't have to hit it today.
What a beauty. What an
CT
actual
just
beauty.
said, I want y'all to know I started in May, blew 50 plus accounts until this month. This month alone, after 0 payouts, I'm at $12,000 in payouts. That is a massive accomplishment.
Let's
CT, can you
go.
put that inside of testimonials? Because a lot of
W's in
people
chat.
need to be able to read that and like use that as motivation. Because a lot of people, they've been in this game for like 3 years now and they still haven't found their footing. CT, what would you say has been like the crucial pivot point for you inside of your trading career? Patience and revenge trading was my struggle. Yep, it's a lot of people's. 82 points right now, guys, and tested the CE right there. Let's see if it goes to the top of that range all the way at 803.5.
What a beauty. Holy.
Yeah, I mean, this couldn't get any
Easy
cleaner
long.
this morning. Literally from 671, 672 that I was looking at all the way up. And there it is. Full PT, guys, hit with our volume imbalance getting filled. And then the next PT, if you guys are still in longs, is your Asia high sitting all the way at 24824. Basically 825. But it could reject off of here now that she has tested your VI and trying to fill some data inside of it. I dialed it back to 2 to 3 trades a day. If I win 2, I quit. If I put a DLL of $200 in my trade of 8 to keep myself from going full port CT. I fucking love that. And see what happens when like you're actually disciplined and you abide by your risk management rules. It's fucking, and I said this in class and I hate saying it, but it is easy once you abide by your system. Once you're just following your rules, it's just a matter of like showing up every day and executing the same thing day in and day out. Is that hard to do? No. Once you have your rules in place, it's just structure. It's discipline.
Mhm.
Thank you guys as well. Learning the levels was huge. Of course, CT. I would
What a
love
beauty.
to sit down with you and just like chat it up whenever you're free. See what you've been doing and like strategy wise. Also just shoot the shit. Like I really appreciate you. Like you didn't have to do what you did. But I'm glad you got premium off of it.
Make sure you guys put your testies in the testies chat.
Oh, you know, John loves his testes. It's
I'm trying to see
testing
those
here
testes.
again, guys. We might get a hammer if this prints down. That's going for, it looks like our London highs here now. That is now 100 points from my entry, guys.
Oh.
If
Cool. Good shit, Michael. Good stuff.
I just put a
Really?
ping out, like if you guys are struggling to see the stream or hear us or anything, reset your Discord or hop onto the YouTube where you guys will still be able to see everything.
Wow, what an easy play.
Such a clean move, man. That's fair. There we go. That's what I like to hear, Rams.
I also was taken out early, but it was also still 50 points. Like, it's only early because it went 100 points, you know? I'll take a 50-point play.
I just closed because I didn't set my PDPT. And I saw it said 600 and I just clicked it. But by the time I clicked it, it was already at 525. I'm like, it is what it is. What
Look,
time frame
how
was
is
the
that
VI on? You know what's funny? I wouldn't have even noticed the VI if it wasn't for John. John's actually the one who told me, would this count as a VI this morning? Saw it and I'm like, it does count as a VI and it's on your daily. So if you guys head over to your daily, based off of where price was, there was still incomplete data to be filled.
Oh,
So that
happy
just filled
birthday,
it.
Euro.
Oh
Let's get some
yeah, happy
birthdays
birthday,
in the
Euro.
chat.
I forget that Euro has the same birthday as my best friend. I know he's not watching this. His brother is though. So shout out to you, Christian. Happy 30th and happy birthday to you, Euro. Love you guys. Buffett, record this for him. Let me know when you're recording. I'm gonna record it. Put that shit on Snap for him. Or you record it. Tell me when you're ready.
I don't know if he's ready.
He's not ready yet.
He's not ready for the miss. You know what? I think you'll get it. I believe.
Ready? Okay.
Wonder if
Say
we're
no
gonna
more.
reject off this 800 here.
Every single person in here, I just want you to guys to know that it is Christian's birthday. Make sure to follow him at what is his at, Chris? Put his at in chat. C Lazaro. He's now 30. He's my best friend. He's an absolute killer. He deals with algos. If you guys are interested, shoot me a message and I'll get you guys connected with him. It does take a little bit more of a sophisticated investor, aka you do need more capital. But if you guys are interested, let me know and I can get you guys squared away with him. Super successful guy. Super glad to have him in my circle, literally since birth. And happy 30th. Love you, brother.
W.
And happy birthday, Danny, of course.
I thought you were gonna say happy birthday.
Type.
Not with this. Big Blue.
Ooh, rejecting off that 800.
Blue Sclus.
Right off that VI.
Off of Blue Sclus.
Previous day book. Polka dot. Damn, Lomenko didn't know you guys were so closed. Like since childs. We are
So
closed
close.
since childs.
Why am I closed? Why am I closed?
I'm closed since childs. Are we gonna bounce off this weekly anchor?
It's because you said
7:15
closed
right here?
instead of close. Literally, guys, that's my entry. Top literally went to my PT and just
Closed below it.
failed.
We closed below the anchored. Are we gonna hold?
You know what's so funny? Look at my chart.
What?
Look at my chart. None of my indicators are turned on. It was strictly price action I was playing. Strictly price action, guys, that I was
Actually
playing
beautiful.
with. Now I can turn on my indicators. See Wagwan.
See if we can find another banger.
See
Who's done
Wagwan
for the
with
day?
popcorn, you know. Yeah,
Who's
who's
done
already
for the day?
finished? That's what I'm curious. I want to see if I can squeeze out that $75. I'm not going to force any trades. Still waiting for like an A+ setup. But let's see what we can come up with.
Like that was easy. Let's be real. You could have entered 50 points late and still caught 50 points. You know what I mean?
For real.
I know, right?
Mhm.
Remember, guys, make sure you use code PHUB for the best prop discounts possible.
You know what's funny? If she does reclaim 715,
Ooh.
oh, but that's my level right there. That's 672. If it holds 672, you got room to 715, 700. Which I mean, that in itself is around 30 points. Here it goes, halfway there. Let's see if it fails. Came back down. I wanna know
Very
if it
interesting.
claims. As long as she can hold 665, there's it above my level or testing my level at 72. And let's just see what price does. I'm on a 5-minute as well. Let me drop it down. Drop it down to the flow. 2 minutes. There we go.
Mm.
Yeah, I want to be positioned above 691, 700, and then above that weekly anchored for like a full A+ setup with multiple confluence.
Yeah.
Excuse me. But like I was saying, off that 670, that keeps going to 690 to 700.
Probably
There it
gonna
is,
test
right there.
here.
And then you can dynamic R it from right there. You've just secured 30 points off of that same fucking move that I was looking for. Beauty. Congrats.
Congratulations. You just got
Is this
TA'd.
okay for top step, or are they gonna fuck with BS around 50%? It should be fine. They do give a little bit of a leeway. Plus, you can activate it same day. Lomenko, give it a little bit of time. Usually, it'll take like what, Rams? An hour? Yeah, I would say like wait an hour, Lomenko, and you should be good. They should activate your account. But they do give a little bit of leeway. So it's like, yes, it's 50%, but I think they'll do like plus 100. Do you know what I mean? Or plus 50. I see they usually don't care too much within like $100. Yeah. Like their 2 days to pass is a legit 2 days to pass. Whereas like other people who have 50% consistency, they're not going to give you a leeway. So in technicality, you do have to make up a third day.
Yeah.
Top Step's actually pretty good with that.
I love the
And
way
there's
you
the fail off of 710. Couldn't reclaim exactly what I wanted at 713. Didn't jump the gun and stayed patient. That's back to our open wick right now. It couldn't hold 659, which is our open print.
Weekly pocket 610.
Yep.
And that's the bottom of my zone too. Or the top of one of my zones.
What an insane move already to start off the day. What is our current
For real.
ATR? We are looking at a 1 minute with 38
42 on the two.
points.
Yeah, our ATR was already high pre-market.
Yeah, I mean, even in Asia, look at Asia. She was moving last night. Look at during class. I took the short.
I see that.
You see the short?
Yeah.
That's where I took the short. Absolute slide. And I printed on my take profits, guys.
Bro, our premium prints, it's actually
They
ridiculous.
do.
Zeus
With the
460.
459.58. Make sure to throw that inside of testimonials. Thank you for showing
shit, man.
everyone.
Good shit. Let's load up these testes, you know what I'm saying? I do have a basing on the 8 hour, and this is CE right here at 48. So basically that 50, a reclaim of that 50, could probably go for another retest of the anchored. Camper asked a pretty good question. I feel like it's very kind of situational though. He's basically saying, how do you deal going heavy on evals to pass quicker?
How do I deal with it?
Like there's a balance between
like you
going
can't full
heavy.
forward.
Yeah. Like you can't be like, oh, if I go down 12 points, I'm gonna blow the whole account. Like at that point,
At that
you're
point,
not
you're
going
gambling.
heavy, you're just fully gambling,
Yeah.
you know? But like let's say on a funded, you want to allow yourself like, let's say you're being extra safe. You want to allow 8 losses in a row before you blow the account. On an eval, you could do 4. You know? If you're only taking A+ setups and you lose 4 times in a row, it's probably more to do with you either got extremely unlucky or your strategy just is off.
3082. I want to take it still. I don't care.
How do you size and manage stops properly? I mean, when you're going heavier, you do wanna put SL in profit a lot earlier. You know? Like what a lot of people will do is they'll take like 1-2 minis, and as soon as they see like that quick momentum break up 10-15
That was
points,
quick.
they'll literally just like
was
BE
quick.
and try to
was-
ride it. Damn, that's short.
I literally saw.
That short is kind of cookerson.
Yeah. For real. That's your previous week low sitting at 2457875. If you can hold, I would say 600, that was a good test of our lower levels.
I love the way you lie.
We also did get our 15-minute move, so we do have orb for our 15-minute people, which it currently is below, and that would have been a retest right there on this current candle of your orb low. Just saying. I just don't like shorts.
I think potential bounce around 550.
Yeah. I'm just not a massive fan of shorts. I'm going to be so honest.
I understand.
I'm super bullish bias while we're at these lower levels until we can prove that we are underneath all of these essentially. So this whole range, this rectangle, if we can go underneath there, sure. Could I take quicker scalps of shorts? Yes, and I wrote that inside of the daily breakdown too, right? I'm not looking for full moves or like 100 points. I may be looking to just play structure if I am taking shorts. So you guys can read it right here. Bullish bias 24555, bottom of daily accumulation low. I already told you about this. Looking for a bullish reclaim of 24671 for the VI fill. Literally, that happened to the T. And then even tried to test our Asia high just shy of, and now we're back down. So not really looking for much from this point right now until we can at least get a reclaim of 610, which is our weekly POC. Wow.
Mm-hmm. I actually like 615.
Wow, Tesla shitting.
Personally. Tesla, what's ES doing right now? Is ES also... Alright. Alright. We are not divergent. We are just neurodivergent. Ha! Who here is autistic?
Me.
We all are, aren't we? Isn't that the truth?
It's very far from the truth, but...
Is it? How many people here have talked to their candles on their chart?
Doesn't make you autistic.
Hmm. I'm just waiting. Huh.
On what, YouTube? Is social stream on?
I'm on the spectrum. Just couldn't tell you which end. I,
Wow, the
I wonder how
short.
both ends work.
GC also coming down for today's session. We got both bleeders right now. What a beautiful long catch, though, man. Could have played the short off of that move, like once it did try to fill in that VI. That VI is still valid, by the way, guys. If it doesn't close, the VI is not invalidated, and you could still play it tomorrow. Just
I mean,
saying.
your PT was so valid, and that was 800. Like, we fully could have played the shorts from there.
Mhm.
But we also just caught like 100-point long.
Yeah, I'm also
And we're
just
not gonna like
I'm
insta
such
flip.
bullish bias
Yeah,
too. You know what I mean? Plus, like
it's all in hindsight.
our
You know?
structure was like higher highs, higher lows
Yeah.
as well. So I'm not gonna take those shorts. Would it have been a nice move? Yes, especially once it did hit PT. But again, I'm gonna wait for my A setups. And yeah, I could have caught that, but
I mean, hey, everything looks A+ in hindsight,
yeah,
right?
exactly. That's why back testing is kind of flawed.
Yeah. Because you're like,
But
oh yeah, look, this worked and this worked and this worked, but
yeah,
you're not seeing the ones that didn't work.
this right here is also our London lows, or our pre-market lows, I should say, at 812. So we are creating a newer low right here. I want to know if we can reclaim for another long, but if not, then this thing is going all the way down to RCE of our accumulation, daily accumulation. I'm just going to put that there right now. It doesn't really mean much. Especially with that being on such a low time frame. That's literally a 3-minute. But it has broken structure and has now put in a new low. So if you're on higher time frames, like go on your 4-hour, literally you haven't seen a green candle since 2 a.m. on Monday.
Here is 500.
Yep. Massive, crucial psychological level right here.
Mm-hmm. Bottom of my range is 490 also.
Yeah, I would arguably say, like, if you are looking for a long, like 518, 520 right here could be the move. I'm going to size down significantly because I don't need a lot more monies. So, like, why risk my 525? You know,
Yeah.
I only need $75 more. I'm going to talk to production for 2.
I understand. Production has a lot to say. You know what I mean? Production has a lot to say. Who's done for the day? Who's not done? Actually, who's like waiting? Who is skidding me right now?
See if you like it. It's a different
I understand.
flaves. I'm gonna take a long here, guys. So that hopped back inside of my 517. And again, not looking for much because I only need like $75. So my PT is going to be, I mean, there it is. There's 600. Shit. I closed it too quick. I closed that way too quick. Let me re-enter. I'm chasing my own trade now. Worst idea ever. SL is the bottom of that move. As long as we can keep holding 517, I'd be happy. But 52 is the top of that range. I would say take like 48. That's where I was trying to target. But we'll see. As long as she can hold 517, I am happy with that trade. And I mean, that did go what? Because I did make $75
that.
off of 3. My entry was, wow, I had a horrible fill, 27. And I was still able to squeeze out some good profits.
My fill was 510. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was waiting for it to sweep on that second candle, and then I just took it.
nice. Yeah,
Wanna
I still
reclaim.
need 22 points at the top there.
I'm done for the day.
I set a PDPT, but I put it at 610. So it was just shy of 610. And now, oh wow. 3 micros is taking me, huh? I have my SL in at 488 right now off of this trade. Tried to chase my own trade, which was horrible idea. But it is holding off of that 500. If it sweeps under, creates a new low, then obviously the trade is invalidated. But as long as she can hold 500, sweep above 517, that is still a valid trade for me. As long as she can't close under 500, and that just took me out. It hasn't closed yet, but the trade will still be valid as long as it closes back above 500.
That's so funny. H said, Ace chasing the trade. One of us. One of us.
Literally. I was chasing it for $25, ended up losing half my profit off of
so funny.
three micros right there.
That is a very
I really was one of you guys. Shit. Was looking for the quick. See what I mean, though? It's like you try to cheat the system and you end up cheating yourself always.
Yep.
And I was literally yelling at class yesterday about that exact same thing. Don't cheat the system. You know exactly what you need to do to get from point A to point B. Wow, shorts are still shorting. There you guys go. That closed underneath. So I'd be waiting for another reclaim of 500 to that 517 for continuation back long. Again, your structure is still bearish, so I would just be careful. Testing 500 here. 507 would give me a little bit more confidence, and then obviously 517 being back above your pre-market structure lows.
One of us. One of us.
Hold 500 for me.
Are you in the longing?
I want the long,
I understand.
but I want it essentially above 507.
Understand.
So essentially what I'm looking for here is if it closes 500, I'd be in. If it breaks 507, then I'm forcing myself in without a close. Because I know a lot of people ask, like, hey, Ace, you don't always wait for a close. Like, what are you doing? Blah, 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 blah. Just waiting for structure, man. All I'm doing. It's testing 500 here, and obviously it's not doing too well.
For real.
I want along with SL at low. So yeah, like I love that, Danny. Right? But you have to be able to size for 40 points of drawdown.
Mm-hmm.
Here it goes. Get me in. Oh shit, I went full sizing on that.
One of us. One of us.
There we go. There's the move. Back into the green, moving SL. Nice catch. And about to hit my TP. Don't tell me I was 3 points shy. It's right there. And there it goes, guys. PT
Easy
hit.
trade.
PT,
Good
PT.
trade.
And there is what? Just shy of 50 points on top of the structure.
Good fucking
Touch the ceiling. We all know that does not count.
I
Good
just
catch
took
there,
that
guys.
on another account. Very nice.
Thanks.
Look, play.
Thank
First
you.
play on this account.
You know
Not
what? You know what I
bad.
really hate about Trade of 8?
What?
And I'm gonna vent to you guys right now. What I really hate about Trade of 8 is you set your PDPT, right? And it's not like I'm oversized. I'm still using micros at the end of the day. It's not even a full size mini, right? Why did 610 not trigger like 5 times? And then it fills me at 633.
Yeah. Dub.
It's a dub, but I only need 600 with the consistency.
And the issue is it works the same, the opposite
On
direction.
Project X, it's so
It's
close
instant.
to the dollar.
Yeah.
It's so close. Like as soon as that bitch triggers, it triggers.
It gives you no chance to get one ticked. You know, on Trade of It, sometimes it will like barely wick and you're still in, and it like saves you.
Yep. I don't
Ready,
know if
Trade
you
of It.
guys saw, but Trade of 8 is now going to, I don't know if it's already, but I saw a lot of teasers from people basically showing that they're putting in the lock account, the lockout feature. Did you guys see that?
Oh, on Trade of It. Yeah, I did see that.
Thanks for another $90, Ace. Let's fucking go. I'm out. Hit you up in
Good
DMs.
shit.
Let's go, CT. Massive congrats. And guys, that long is still going. I'm just at PDPT now, so I am absolutely finished on this account.
Good shit. Guys, if you did make any banger plays,
I really need a
put the
fucking piss.
testies in the testimonials chat.
Did you like it, John? Did you try it?
Like what? Oh, yeah, I did. Testimonials chat. And if you're going to buy any props and you want to save as much money as physically possible, make sure you use code PHUBIZZLE. Absolute beautiful. Also, we are still running the top 1 giveaway. If you go into the giveaways channel, which I'm going to put in chat right here, all you got to do is grab a top 1 account using code PHUB so we can actually track who's doing it so that the liars don't get any free accounts. And there are a bunch of Ignite accounts that we're going to give away. Only 3 micros didn't size up $300. Beauty. Look at that. That's how you know plays are actually real. You know what I mean? Not like somebody in with 5 minis up $100. But yeah, if you guys are going to grab any top 1 accounts, which I'm actually using one of the instant funded's 150k top 1 accounts right now, just use code PHUB and you'll get a banger sale. What's the sale right now? 50%. Wow, 50% off for the straight to fundeds and the ignites. It's actually a banger. What? Oh, it's still 60% off if it's your first trade of it for 1 account. So if you've never grabbed one and you want to grab an instant funded for 60% off, then hit that. Top 1 actually has banger rules. They are one of the favorites these days. Banger. Yo, I haven't scored today.
I haven't either. Ooh, clip that.
Come on, baby.
Clip that.
The one-handed over the shoulder? Who am I? I might be Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan.
Bro, I'm brick on this.
You sure you're just not Brick?
You know that.
Saw that bucket. Yo, Eric, you like that? It's pretty tough, can't lie.
Clip that.
Wow.
Oh, that was nice. And like again, guys, the chart is still charting. Literally went to test above my range at that 555. Couldn't hold and came back down to test previous structure. So we'll see Wagwan from here.
Oy, wagwan na.
Guys, maybe a good idea to put this stream signal in Discord. We can see P&L better here. You guys can see P&L better whenever it goes full screen.
Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that.
But like, I don't know why lately it's just been like squeezing.
Like, you see the black bars on the side of the share screen on both sides? Those shouldn't be there at all. It should literally fill the entire thing.
Yeah.
But it's not. And I don't
And like,
know
it
why.
makes no sense because we've kept the same settings. And it just wants to work sometimes.
Yeah, Lamenko, it's literally supposed to fill the entire top. And it was for like a couple days in a row. And we changed nothing. And now it looks like that. Discord just kind of sucks sometimes, low-key.
100%.
That's all it is. It does not. You guys are cheeks. Fuck!
I know, Rams. I saw that. I feel bad. I saw. But you guys want to know something super sick? So obviously you guys saw the video where Rams got a payout. He is now being in review for a live account with top 1 futures. So now he's going to be eligible for those daily payouts, which are absolutely banger.
You know what else is banger? Look at that.
Are you well? Bro, you have a... Shit.
That was crazy.
That was
Clip that.
But-
Bowser.
Bowser's.
Typing shit.
Is
You want-
517 still valid for the long if we close above? After it just created a new structure, I'm gonna say no. Like, yeah, it could still be valid. Like, that is your previous high and low. But it is on a what, 2 minute, 3 minute structure. I would say try to grab a little bit higher, at least a 5 minute if you're looking for a little bit more scalp. And let me get you that level.
Mhm. After that head shake. All right. Banger.
So that
An
level,
absolute
yeah,
banger.
518. As long as she can hold 518, in technicality,
Look at Eric
it's
with
still your previous structure.
418. David
Windy City
140
boy.
times 6 or 5. We got Zeus with that 459. Michael W. Caught my first 100-point trade. Absolutely sexy. $400. Look at Buffett. Yo, if you guys want to build a long-term portfolio, I'm telling you,
Buffett
so
is
worth
such a
look
fucking
at Buffett.
printer.
He's up $4,000 just on that. Just on his Google.
Also, have you seen Eric day 9 on the stream account where he literally just takes the trades from stream?
Wait, what?
Look in testimonials. He literally posts every single day his stream account. He literally has an account designated for
Ooh.
stream. Bro, the very last one. Last testimonial. I can
Oh,
see it.
Eric.
Day
Oh,
9 stream account.
Day 9. Wait, that's fucking hilarious. He's running his own sack.
Yeah, for real. He's literally running his own sack based off of our trades. Based off of our trades. Holy English.
W. Eric. Absolutely beautiful.
One red day. I mean, red days are all part of it. We don't give a fuck. We took a red day? I don't remember our last red day. I'm going to be honest. When was our last red day?
I think there was one last week. Was there?
Did we have a red day last week, Eric? He just said IPDLL. Probably did something stupid.
I don't remember. I'm pretty sure we did have one.
I don't remember. But on a 5 minute, your ATR is still sitting at a 62. On your 2 minute, it's sitting at a 51. And on your 1 minute, it is sitting at a 36. So we are still getting really volatile moves. Be careful, guys. It is moving sideways right now. And I wouldn't even take this pre-market structure anymore, if we're going to be honest. I would say wait for your current session, which on a 15 minute, you just have a massive candle down. Based off of your 5 minute structure, then yes, it still counts. That 518 to the top of that range of 555.
By the way, it wasn't a red day. It was reset the TPTs. One of the days.
Oh, the
reset them.
eval days where I was being
Yeah.
aggressive. Yes.
But then you
yes.
hit PDPT that same day, didn't you?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
also like I was green
Yeah.
on the first set, but I literally was telling people, I'm like, I'm not securing it because I'm trying to be more aggressive.
Yeah.
Because I was up like 1,500 per account on all of them. Yeah, very easily a red day for a lot of people. We understand that.
I got news. Give me a sec. What news? Shit.
Your girl's pregnant. Congrats. Mine too. Oh, fuck. Ram. Thank you.
PDPT. Yo, chat. So you guys engaging with socials because you love us and because you hit bangers with us. So you like our videos and leave comments, right? Right? You know what I mean?
Should I add
Right.
some
Alright.
some fluff to my hair? Because I feel like it's just flat as shit right now. No,
You
I don't
got-
want to put product.
You got powder?
Yeah.
You got powder?
I like the powder. I've ever used.
No, I don't use anything. I'm a no product kind of guy.
Yeah, me too. Right now, clearly. It was so like you guys saw it in class yesterday. It was so like wavy, curly, but right now it's just like flat as shit because Jill was brushing it. She wanted to have fun with my hair.
When is your girl due? His girl does work at the hospital, right?
She's there right now. She is due June 28th. The baby's birthday shall be, as of right now.
Do no do. What will I do? What will I do with that information?
Summer baby.
Summer baby, for real. W summer babies, their birthdays go crazy because they can have pool parties and shit.
Yeah. I'm just glad that like there's enough of a break. So it's like Jill's birthday is in April, beginning of April. Her birthday is going to be end of June, and then mine's in August. So at least there's like spaces in between.
Yeah.
Cancer baby. Yep. It's going to be a cancer. Cancer girl.
Where my Sagittarius is at.
Okay, one more guess. Yeah, it's definitely another payout for sure. Or, ooh, I know what it is, David. I know what it is. You just hit what, day 18 or 19 on your streak, or day 20? David's on a hot streak right now, like
Is he?
20-day streak.
No way.
And I know that's what it is, David. I know that's what it is. Just took a $2,800 payout. It's a massive streak. Let's fucking go, David. Let's go. Guys, W's in the chat for David. Me and David have been working together now for... David, how long have we been working together now? 4 years? 3 years? And he's really... Yeah, like 4 years. And he's really found his footing, I would say, like 2025. And like halfway through 2025. And since then... David, would you arguably say the exact same thing that I always say? Once you figure it out and it sticks, it's so much easier. Like, so much easier. Like, once you just figure out, like, hey, fuck, this shit makes sense. It's just so easy to just replicate it day in and day out, as opposed to trying to figure out, like, oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to change my strategy. Or I need to hop. I need to over leverage. I need to over trade. Like, bro, stick to the fucking rules that you already set for yourself.
Dude, I don't even really think anymore. It's weird.
Yeah,
that's
exactly what I say.
Look at the chart and you know what you're looking at.
This is where we were talking about it in class yesterday, right? The premise of being objective in your trades and being a lot more systematic. It's going to be a lot easier to do. Personally, for myself, with my quote unquote system, I do use a lot of discretion, but for beginners, I'll always recommend having it binary to the point where it's zeros and ones, having it to the point where you could be a lot more robotic and your entry model is a yes or a no. There is no room for maybes. When you have something that's so clear and concise, your job is so easy because then you're just clicking buy and sell based off of those criterias.
Holy, today was actually such a banger day. We didn't take a single loss. That was huge. I'm going to do today's Wordle. What? Oh,
oh man, there's the reclaim. Yep.
I took that.
That's above 555. Ooh. And we did give that level up 518, still being valid.
Relax.
And that is now above. So it needs to hold above 555 for this long to still occur. You do have your open candle wick that goes all the way to 605. So that would be your target, 600, 605. So watch out there. This thing is extending right now. So watch out. Watch out before they get you.
Damn, I paper handed. My original entry was 521. And I took at 50. Promo code for premium love doesn't work. That's because Valentine's Day is over. There is no love anymore.
It probably says at the top of the server. That's why it does.
It does?
Yeah,
Where does it at?
on
Oh shit.
right there. And there's your target, guys. There's your open print. Now inside of it, your true open print is sitting at what 659. So that would be my next target if I was in the long still. Again, we have PDP. Boy,
On this account? Halfway.
yeah,
I mean, fuck. If I held this, I'd be at it. But
Michael, that is so beat, bro. What the fuck was that?
just caught you at the worst cap. Like,
I'm gonna ban you if you do that shit again. When will yesterday's class be uploaded? I missed the first portion, being yesterday of CNY.
fuck,
What's CNY? Oh, Chinese New Year.
bro. I paper handed this shit so hard.
Yeah, you kind of did.
Kinda.
Did you
That's
dynamic
another-
R that bitch?
I was, and then I got tapped.
And then you're fine. You followed your rules. 658 again, guys, is your next target. Lunar New Year. I get a pardon since it was still being advertised. Open up a ticket, Zeus, and I'll see what I can do for you. But I'll answer it only after stream. Heading to work. Love y'all. Love y'all, David. Congrats. Massive fucking win, brother. Keep up the good work and just
Dub,
keep
dub,
being
dub.
consistent. Doing exactly what you've been doing to get to this point, and I promise you it's going to pay in dividends. Like, David, I have a question for you. And again, this just comes with transparency before you head out. And yeah, you're still here. Are you now a profitable trader with all of these payouts? Or are you close to? Yes, let's go. Guys, that's an amazing feat. Like,
Good shit.
yeah, people can get payouts, but it doesn't mean that they're a profitable trader, right? Because your spend needs to be significantly lower than what you're making. David has now done that. That is massive, guys. If you guys don't know, like, that's the whole point of trading, right? Is to try to get to that point. And he's obviously done it, and he's now making money off of this shit. Massive fucking congrats, David. I'm so proud of you.
Shit.
I am so proud of you. Shoot me a message. Let's talk it through. On the text. Thank you, brother. Of course. What'd you guys do for Valentine's Day? John, what'd you do?
I stayed home and I played Rocket League.
That's
I just got back into it. I used to play it back in the day. I was diamond, but now I'm ass. Good shit not available. H, for Valentine's Day, I got very acquainted with my left hand. Wow, H and Zeus had complete opposite nights. Later not available. Look at bruh, advertising our code. Code Phub. What a dub. Went to the beach, anniversary, nice. What'd you do?
1 sec. I'm alerting.
You alerted for Valentine's Day? What a legend. See that, guys? Even on those days, he still hits bangers. It feels bad to become worse at games. Was top 500 in Overwatch and high rank in a bunch of other games. Since I spend most of my time on classes and trading, I barely play now. Yeah. Since starting Prophub, I barely play now.
Okay, so I just took a trade on options for you premium folks. It is a starter position, so not going heavy at all because it does have a lot of downside risks still.
I was face at 7.
So what did I do for Valentine's Day? I went to a funeral.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we started the day off with a funeral. Rest in peace. But my brother's girlfriend, who's in technicality my sister, like they've been dating for like 20 years. Her grandma passed away at the age of 105. How insane is that? She was like 105 in like 9 months.
That's insane.
That's insane. Yeah, like
100. Yo, that's like that has to be like among a group of records. Like, how many people get to 105 in Canada?
Yeah, for real.
Like, that's ridiculous.
So she passed away. We went to her funeral, paid our respects, and then we went for breakfast. We had breakfast at Stacked.
Ooh.
After breakfast, we went home. She needed her nap because she is pregnant. She took her nap, and then we got up. What do? We went to dinner at a nice restaurant, and then we did like a paint pottery kind of thing.
Wow, Jeff, I have a grandma who's gonna be 104 this year. That's
That's
insane, too.
awesome, Jeff. I don't have any grandmas. Mine are dead.
Damn,
Why did I say it like that?
that was
Why did
very
I say it like that?
I have the same, but for my grandpas. For my grandfathers.
Is that the correct expiration?
I have a client who's 101. Okay, maybe I'm just like cooked.
Yeah, that's the
Maybe
correct
there's a bunch of
expiration.
people over 100. Like, holy. Everybody has somebody over 100 in their family,
That
apparently.
is the correct expiration. 03/27.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Zeus, 100%. If they have something to live for, they'll push more.
I'm buying time on the contract, your Sifu, because it has a lot of room to go, and I just want to make sure that I can capitalize on that full move, but also not get killed by Theta if the move hasn't happened yet. So
Holy
it still gives me
APR.
room to average into the trade if I need to, or invalidate it super quick, while not overextending myself. Same ace. Rip grandmas. For real. Are we going to see ace become a swing king? Bro, I've been killing the swing zero. I've been so happy with my options trading. Like, genuinely. I feel like I finally found a really good balance of how to still integrate options while trading futures, without like spreading myself too thin, trying to do day trading on both to try to like suit everyone's needs. Because at the end of the day, I'm only one person. Like, I can only do so much. I had silver longs from December that went 1,500% on that run up. Let's go. I did not hold that long. Oh. Did you see my Microsofts last week, Euro? 2,600%. That's fucked. I saw that, Microsoft.
Oi.
That reminds me, I want to marry Tory Trades. Mid. I'm just joking, Tori.
Yeah,
if you're watching
that's a
this,
really
can
good
we
idea.
please collab? I would love to hop on a stream with you.
For real, though.
uh,
That'd be banger, right?
bro, you don't need her to throw down trend lines. Yeah, facts. I mean, like, respect to her. I'm gonna give
Yeah.
like props where props is due. And we were talking about it in here, right? Like, I'm a huge believer in whatever your strategy is, it doesn't fucking matter as long as it works. It clearly works for her. And she has balls to actually swing through with futures on a live account, meaning she's putting up that margin. So shout out to her. Like, fuck.
You need to have a mental for that.
The thing that I don't like about trend lines is essentially all you're using is structure. Why not just fucking use structure where it's going to be a lot more accurate than a trend line? But that's just me, right? Like, that's just getting a lot more, like, adding another layer to her strategy. But I don't know her. I don't know what she does on a daily basis. She could be using structure alongside of her trend lines, and that's just what she's known for. But the fuck if I know. I stay in my lane and I just do me. Shout out to her, though. Again, I'm going to give props where props is due. And she just bought a new Ferrari, so shout out to her.
For real.
Simple works for some people. No, for real. Right? Keep it simple, stupid. That literally came back into range, and now it's just moving sideways.
Yeah. Do 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 do.
Ba-dum,
Mm.
bum. Damn, go Tory.
For real.
I
Yo, that
went
Ferrari's sexy too. Can't lie.
bowling alley behind a Ferrari dealer last night. Does that count? Yeah, definitely does not count. Euro. She has a plan and sticks to it most of the time. Nice, Adam. She's the trending queen for real. There's so many traders like coming out of the woodworks now, and like people thinking that they can like sell a course and try to rip people off. So just again, guys, we created Prophub to show you what realistic and profitable traders actually look like. We've shown what multiple payouts now from all of us in office. Not only that, John, can I tell them or not yet?
Sure, go ahead. I also just took that quick short on this new account.
John,
Oh.
guys, is ready for a payout. Guys, put some fucking W's in the fucking chat. Guys, I told you guys I was going to get John to a fucking payout. And that's exactly what he's done here in 2026. Yes, it is February 17. Doesn't fucking matter because he's showing that the system fucking works.
It works.
I will take any single person and prove that they can become profitable, and I can guarantee you that.
And honestly, it took longer because it was 100% my fault. I fucked up twice. And one of them was completely my fault. I just decided to go heavy when I was actually pretty close. And then the other one was like Trade Evade deciding to quadruple entry me when it was lagging that one day, and I became super depressed for the rest of that day. And then after that, I locked in.
Microsoft triggered. See Microsoft.
Which is
Microsoft.
fire.
Microsoft.
WW.
Microsoft sitting at the bottom of my.
Thanks, Euro. Appreciate it.
Started that gap. I'm not going to take that.
You know why I didn't want to say it? I'm like nervous if I accidentally was
The VPN.
on a VPN for those like 20 seconds that I was in that first trade.
I mean, like
I mean, it said it wasn't
at
connected,
the end of
but
the
I was
day,
also
we also
lagging.
live stream, so you can also just send it to them. Be like, "Hey, I was in
Yeah.
office. I didn't realize a
Yeah.
VPN was triggered." Blah 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 blah. And it's not like it's a
Should be
a
fine.
crazy amount.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? It's not like you're
It's not
taking
like
a
I'm trying to
month's
rinse them
payout.
of
Yeah.
like, yeah.
All right, guys, I'm outie. See you guys tomorrow. Later,
Later,
Euro. I
Euro.
appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Camper just said, "Can I be your next guinea pig, please?"
These are all the guinea
Oh,
pigs right now. I'm
you
just
know
here
what?
with you guys. I'm not doing anything different.
We were talking about it in class yesterday. I know that some of you guys are interested in the small group coaching. So the way that it differs from a mastermind is we can actually like hold you guys a lot more accountable because we're not spreading ourselves thin with like 150 people. We know that we have a small group. Like our audience is only from like 50. Right now we're at 49. But it's only from like 50 to 100, right? So we know that this next group class is not going to be like 150 members, and I don't want that personally. But I do want to give people that opportunity to join. That way they could take this shit a lot more serious as opposed to like waiting every single week for a little bit of a premium class, which is an absolute banger, but they can't really find their footing because they have to wait for the next week, for the next class to add to their strategy. And it just takes a lot longer. So if anyone was interested, you know what?
What?
Should we put out a poll?
Yeah,
Just
do
to-
a poll.
Let's do a poll.
I mean, this is all for you guys anyway. So, you know, whatever you guys think is fire, we'll just do that. Torque off between JJ and Ace. I think I would lose. He kind of has a dumpy. What? I could be good marketing for P-Hub. Degen to pay out. I mean, yeah, that's why the testimonials isn't only for profits, you know? We have a lot of people in there who just put their story of how they joined P-Hub.
Oh, new low of day.
New row of day. Hero. Oh, sorry. Damn, I guess there is some people actually want it.
Not just low of day. We haven't seen lows like this since November of last year, I think. Is that dope? Is that dope?
It's literally not true at all. February 6th.
Yeah, February 6th. I was just
Our
going to
low is
say.
240.
I was just going to say. February 6th, we saw these lows. February 6th.
6th, we saw 246. We saw 200 points lower than this.
Yeah. Remember? And then we kept saying we're like literally this week started off at 26K and now we're at 24.
Yeah.
So that VI is still valid. We have a couple VIs now. So the VI from today's session, assuming we close down here or anywhere below, that's 24789. And then we still have the one that we were trading with last week at 25387 to 25452.
What? I was zoned out.
I was just talking about VIs.
I understand. I like VIs. VIs are so valid.
There's one at the very, very top, which is like,
On what?
it's 1 point. I'm not counting that. It's literally 1 point.
On what time?
I want to see if you can find it daily. It's the only other one that is currently valid.
How high? Oh, I see it.
You see it?
At 26, basically?
Yeah. It's literally 1 point. I created a box just in case because it's a daily. Like it could be 30 points and I would still mark that off. But it's literally 1 point. I'm not counting that shit.
May I ask, Cost, is that in poor taste? No, that's not in poor taste. That's a very valid question. Justin Bieber? Oh, Vinny's roasting. Have we talked about that?
Justin Bieber. Oh, he's talking about my hair again. I just don't want to do my hair, okay, Vin? Jeez, Louise. You would look the exact same if you didn't wear a hat as well. Because you're always wearing a freaking beanie and shit too.
Have we fully we haven't fully talked about like a cemented price.
A cemented
right?
price? No.
We have talked about potentially delaying and making it so that people could get payouts or like get time if they want to join, but like currently can't afford it. You know?
But like it would roughly be the same. I'm not going to make it more expensive just because it's a smaller group, but it would be roughly the same cost as like any other course, mentorship, class, boot camp, whatever you want to call it, of around 2K. Dun, 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 dun. And again, like
It's
we're
kinda
not
ridiculous, 'cause
looking.
it's like group coaching. It's like more than a course.
Oh yeah, it's definitely more than a course. Plus, we have to keep them crazy accountable as
But
well.
people, there are people that charge 10K for 1 hour of coaching.
No, you know what's
isn't that-
insane?
That is.
We know someone.
I know. That's what I'm talking
We
about.
know someone who charged over 2K for a week of learning a strategy that's shit. I'm sorry, but it's shit. Not only that, I haven't seen a payout in a gajillion years. Have you? I have not. Holy shit. Anyways, I digress. Oh, Vinny came up. He's ready. Oh no. Oh no.
Wait, but he made 123K yesterday. What do you mean?
Yeah, no, we saw that. We saw that.
What do you mean,
That
bro?
People on X are charging 10K for a one-on-one call. Yeah, literally.
That's
I
insane.
was also thinking about doing one-on-ones. But I'm a huge person on like moral and ethics, right? Sure, I could be fucking making a good amount of money every single hour, charging people $500 per hour to take a class with me at the minimum 500, right? I've literally, and I've shown the boys this. I've shown everyone in the old server, and I can probably find it if I dig hard enough. But there's someone who literally said $1,500 right now for 30 minutes of your time, and I still didn't take it because you can't get enough information within that short of a time period for you to be successful in the space. It makes no sense. And I can't do that ethically or morally and say, hey, I want you to rinse your dollar because I know that you're already struggling, first of all, and you're trying to make this work. So, hey, I want you to spend even more to not learn shit. It makes no sense. I'm sorry.
Yeah. At the end of the day, there's people that actually care and people that don't give a fuck and just want to get every dollar.
But Ace, you used to go on his live. Yeah, that's very true.
Used
Go on
to.
live.
Used to.
Ace got a good heart. I mean, we
No, he
tried.
doesn't, bro. He took that 1,500. He's lying to all of you, bro. I literally watched him give a lesson. Bro.
That'd be so jokes. Imagine if I actually did. I want to see if I can find it.
DM? Was it Discord?
Yeah, it was on Discord.
Dude, but you have like 1,000.
I know, that's why
DMs.
it's gonna be
It
so
wasn't a
hard.
DM. I thought
You
it was
have-
like
you
in the
have to know,
general
like,
chat.
the date,
No, it was DMs.
and you caught more than 100 points on his live. That is true.
Narrow it down. I don't know how.
Narrow it down. What a W day.
Such a W day.
For real.
Yeah,
real, for
there's
real.
no shot I'm gonna find this person. Like, look at my
Bro,
DMs,
I remember
bro.
back in Concord, you had 999 on your DMs. And that was like 5 years ago.
Well, it's
Yeah.
never gonna happen, but it did. That was the thing, and I thought it was more. Honestly, I thought the dude went up to like 3K, and you were like, I could
No,
do
so
this right
he
now.
started. Yeah, I know. I wanted to so bad because I'm like, guys, that's easy money for me. But at the end of the day, like, I can't do it. I got morals and shit.
You would just feel dirty if you did it. Like knowing that that's just not enough time to do anything.
Yeah, there's no shot. I've never got the chance to do Aces MM. I came in a bit late at other places, but I've heard how great they were, and those people are actually successful today. That speaks volumes. I appreciate
Yeah.
that. And like, I always start the MMs because obviously, like, whenever we are doing a full mastermind, there's probably like at least 100 people every single time I've ran one, right? The thing is, we have to acknowledge the fact that if traders, right, have only 1% of them make it. Let's just be realistic, right? So 99% of traders fail. How many of the class do you think is going to fail and not be successful? I'm
You know what's-
lucky to say that my percentage of people that are actually successful is a lot higher. So I can turn the 99% of the class, right, that are going to fail maybe into only 70% are going to fail. But what is it going to take to be part of that 30%? Are you actually going to put in the work? Are you actually going to follow a system, or are you just going to learn everything and just push it to the side? Because what a lot of people think is that because I invested into this class, I'm now guaranteed to print. That's not how it works. And I've taught people this multiple times, and I said it on a podcast that I was just a part of last week. You guys have heard the quote, knowledge is power. But that's absolute fucking bullshit, because how much shit do you guys know from school that you don't utilize? Therefore, knowledge is only power when applied. Therefore, whatever I teach you, if you are applying it, you can be successful. If you guys listen to it and it goes in one ear, out the other, then it doesn't mean shit.
Mm-hmm. And I was gonna say two things. People saying
Also, wait. First things first, guys, look in chat. Rams just got approved for his live account. Rams, put that in testimonials as well. Absolute W.
W's in the chat.
And Toasty, you couldn't be more right. You can't be upset about the work you didn't put in.
Yeah, two things. Number one, people think that, if I buy a course, I'm guaranteed to be profitable. That's literally like saying if I buy a gym membership, I'm guaranteed gonna be jacked. That's number one. Number two, the reason why so many people fail is because and this is 100% true. I've literally seen it with my eyes. They are lazy. I've been in. I remember I was looking at one of the MMs. The count of people from class to class goes down,
Oh,
which means
significantly.
let's say 100 people pay for it. By the final class, there's like 40, 50 people in it. Like, how are you paying? And then you're just like, you know what? I'm just gonna not even go through the entire thing, and then be like, oh, how am I not profitable yet? Like, how do you pay for that and just not even show up? Like, that's your first goal, is just show up at least. And a bunch of people don't even do that, and then they're confused. Makes no sense.
Well, to be fair, I wouldn't want to show up for a week to learn orb either. So
Everyone wants it till they have to put in the work to get it. No, for real, pasta.
For real.
For real, for real, for real. Anyways, guys, this is a sideways market. There's nothing else for us in
Yeah, I'm
office.
done for the day.
We have John, who's done. Did you tell Vinny yet?
Oh yeah, I'm getting my payout.
oh my god, bro.
We got him there, Vin. We fucking got him there. Let's fucking go.
Type
good.
shit.
This guy finally can say he made some money.
Let's
go.
fucking go, bro. That's massive.
For
It
real,
gets
yo, this line is
denied.
kinda long
Also,
for
It gets
now.
denied for micro scalping. Imagine, it'd be so funny.
Oh, you know what's scary is I accidentally was on a VPN for like 20 seconds. But we'll see. Anyway,
Imagine.
guys, if you're gonna buy any accounts, make sure you use code PHUB for the premium. Daily breakdown is gonna be when? It's up to you, Mr. Ace Up Traits.
it's 10:45. Let's say 11:15.
11:15 is gonna be the daily breakdown for you premium peoples. W day. That's all I have to say. Don't forget the alpha code, people, so that we can get code PHUB. And do you have anything before I end this?
Guys, it is the last month for the charity.
True.
I hope that we can squeeze a little bit more. We literally haven't had a donation in forever. We are adding money here at Prophub on top of the total amount. So the more that you guys donate, the more that we have to put in here at Prophub. We've already donated from our personal, right? Like me and John have put in $100 already. Vinny's donated as well. So if you guys could just consider it or at least share it with people, we would be extremely grateful. We're
100% of the money goes to sick kids.
yeah, 100% of it, right? Like again, you guys are grateful to have the opportunity to do this day in and day out. They didn't even get a chance at life. Let's just be honest, right? Like when you were just dealt a shitty hand right off the rip, and like it's kids, man. Like I'm sorry, but that's my weakness right there, especially since I'm about to have a kid of my own now. So if you guys could kindly just either share the link, donate yourself, every single dollar counts. But once again, 100% of the proceeds goes to the charity plus Prophub here in office. We are going to be donating on top of that. So we would be extremely grateful if you guys could help us out.
Especially Lomenko, he
even-
spent like 30 bands on TPT last year. He could definitely throw a couple bands into sick kids.
Yeah. Like,
And the beginning of March, you guys are all going to be able to choose what the next charity is.
yep, very true.
Pretty banger.
As long as it is a registered non-profit, not for profit.
All right, but that's it.
Yeah.
Dubs.
I hope you
Pretty
guys
good.
enjoyed stream. Absolute bangers were caught. And then daily breakdown will be at 11:15 for you premium folks. Thanks for the first stream of the week, y'all. Later. We love y'all. Peace.
Later. Peace.